Hello everyone. The ballot system for India Young Professional Scheme is now open, and this will close on 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 18th July. So as soon as you watch this video, you may want to go online and complete it. I will put this link in the description section below for you to enter into the ballot. So before you do that, just check your eligibility very quickly that you should be in Indian national, age between 18 to 30. You should be at least 18 years old on the date you plan to travel to the UK and have qualification at bachelor's degree or above, and have £2,530 in savings to support yourself in the UK, and do not have children under the age of 18 who live with you or who you are financially responsible for. So as long as you meet this eligibility criteria, then you can enter the ballot. Now let's quickly do this demo, how to enter the ballot. You click this link, make sure you have your full date of birth, your passport, email address and phone number with you. And if you have that, and if you do not have account with the UKVI, which is UK Visa and Immigration, then you can create an account, and I'll create this account with you right now as we speak quickly. So who are you creating this account for? I'll just select me. And then I'll just put my name. I'll be also using some detail just for the purpose of demo. I'll select India as a nationality here. Passport number, I'll just select B. Country of issue is India. Do you have passport expiry date? Yes. And I'll just put 29th March 2025 as a detail. I'll just copy this here so that we can use this when we have to retrieve this detail. Continue. Date of birth 1st January 2004. Again, I'm using it for the purpose of demo. What email address do you want to use? And I'll just put ydouble28@gmail.com just for the sake of this demo. And when I do the next, I will get a security code in my email. And here it is. This is the security code. It's valid for only 10 minutes, so you have to be very quick. Continue. Do you want someone else to have this account? Do you want someone else to have access to your account? I will just select no. And here we are. So that's the detail. I'll just copy all this in a Word file just in case if I need create an account. The account has been created. Now I just need to sign in to enter the ballot. So, and that takes less than a minute. I'll say, so first question is, what identity document did you use when you created your account? I'll say passport. Passport number is, and I'll just copy from here because I copied the passport number I entered. I do remember my date of birth which I entered was 1st January 2004. We will send a security code. So they will send a security code on the email. I'll just press continue. I should have a security code here, and here is the security code. I'll just copy this quickly, continue, and start application. Now you start application. They submit an expression of interest to the India Young Professional Scheme ballot. This is the unique application number. Identity document, contact preference, select that. I'll just select my email address. Continue. Very straightforward. Prepare an application. The declaration you have to sign. I am the ballot applicant, aged 18 or over. This is just a declaration. You have to read that the information relating to exposition, supporting evidence, and I understand the data I have given to use of privacy policy. I consent to organize include financial institutions, because they're just seeking a permission from you. They might do some checks on you. So I'll just select this. Provide evidence, upload evidence, scan or take a photo of your document. It must be clear and easy to read. Save it on your computer device, and just select the document. Upload evidence. Choose file. Just try and see if it works. Continue. Continue. Confirm and upload. So you have to just upload your passport. Continue. So when you complete each step, it says completed, 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 and then you go here and submit. Next steps, confirm and submit.